Mr. Chair, sa PNP, nagbaba ng directive ang DO, Directorate for Operations, to assist boss doon sa challenge nila sa event. So, same with LTO. Kaya po, talagang may mali Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang pong linawin kasi mainit na issue ito sa publiko na walang silbi daw yung pulis. Ang tanong, Mr. Chair, dahil may paglabag sa batas yung dalawang participants, kinasuhan po ba ng pulis o hindi? Mr. Chair, HPG, para sa inyo po
Yes,
ba
sir.
may violations yung event? Wala.
On the part of the HPG, sir, not the event, but there are violations committed by the riders.
Yes.
Yes.
So dahil may instruction sa iyo, i-assist ninyo, wala na kayong ginawang panghuhuli doon, tama po. Yung nakita po ninyo na yung dalawang participants in the presence of police officer, ginulpi nila yung private individuals. May ginawa po bang paglabag sa batas yung dalawang participants ng Boss Ironman Challenge?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. So, ang understanding po natin in the terms ng permitting or coordination for Boss Group, pag other private organizations, wala pong coordination. Is my understanding correct, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, tama po yun.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, we'll now proceed with asking the government agencies involved. First and foremost, we'd like to ask the legal opinion po siguro ng DALG. Would a permit be required by the LGU in cases of events such as this? And I think it'd be better to ask not just the LGU boss, but DALG in general, kasi po the jurisdiction actually transcends any one LGU. So maybe know their legal opinion on this matter, Mr. Chair.
Good morning, Honorable Chair, Honorable members of the committee and the resource speakers. The event of the Boss Ironman Challenge would need a permit from the mayor, as it is not one of those events that are exempted under the local government code that does not need a mayor's permit. So for their checkpoints, kung saan po man yung checkpoints nila, it would need, if it's gonna be an event, like a whole event where people will come and go with lots of activities, it would definitely need a mayor's permit before they can conduct any activity within the LGU or the municipality. Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, in addition po, katanungan sa DALG, aside from yung sa checkpoints, yung sa mga rota po, wala pong kailangan na ordinansa or any permit at all?
Okay. Good morning, Your Honor. As for the routes, if it's within the municipal routes naman, it's public road. For example, municipal roads, the use of the roads naman po is free for use for anyone passing through naman po. Yung mga LGU roads po na ito po yung mga LGU roads na pwedeng i-regulate ng ating mga munisipyo. For example, yung mga traffic ordinances nila, dito po covered yan. As for the national roads, I expect po kasi mga big bikes ito and malalaki yung mga dinadaanan nito. Malamang sa malamang po, national roads kadalasan yung nadaanan nito. Hindi na po ito sa saklaw ng LGU. So, hindi na po ito, kumbaga, we are in a gray area na pwede silang makakuha ng mga LGUs po Salamat po.
Okay. Thank you, DLG. Mr. Chair, may we ask LTO kung what permits would be required in their, if they have an opinion kung may permitting required po in the office of the LTO or DOTR?
Mr. Chair, for DOTR, no permits were given or requested from our office. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, but legal opinion, does the LTO or DOTR have an opinion na kailangan po ba ng permit?
None, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, same po yan with LTO, no?
Anong sagot ng LTO? Hindi yung pagtango.
None, Your Honor.
You do not have to issue a permit?
Yes, Your Honor.
If I remember it right, there are two laws which can be violated insofar as this event is concerned. The Local Government Code and the Land Transportation Code of the Philippines, or 4136 if I remember it right, tsaka 7160. Kayo po ang agency na nagpapatupad ng 4136 at hindi nyo alam, And I think you have listened to the boss representative that they asked permission from you or they coordinated with your office. First question, totoo bang nakipag-coordinate sila sa inyo or you do not know anything about it?
Your Honor, for the 2024 event, I believe the coordination that is referred to by this or the organizer is related to the order of LTO in October 2023 that they will stop and desist from conducting this activity. There was an anonymous complaint that was referred to LTO, and the LTO decided on that.
And that order was signed by the head of the LTO.
Yes, Your Honor.
Was it properly received by the boss officers or organizers?
Yes, Your Honor. That's why they filed a motion for reconsideration.
And what was your action insofar as the MR is concerned?
In the succeeding evaluation of the office, Your Honor, the LTO find that the boss, there's merit on their appeal, so the order for them to desist from conducting this activity was lifted.
Rescinded?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, may we know from the PNP if, in their opinion, kailangan po ng permit? And if so, nagbigay po ba sila ng permit?
Who will answer for the PNP? Who is the most senior among the generals present today?
Sir, with your permission, sir, RD Region 11, sir.
So, you will be speaking for in behalf of the Philippine National Police.
In the absence of any volunteer, sir, I will, sir.
And that's why I was asking for who is the most senior kasi tradition would tell us that if the most senior is not present, the most senior officer present will be the one to represent. Can proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, in the interest of service, may conflict po sa position ng LTO eh. Why? Siyempre, pag nag-grant kayo ng request ng boss, nakatali na kayo, di na ninyo pwedeng hulihin. At yun, Mr. Chair, ang nangyari. Tama po ba, LTO?
Your Honor, there was no permit or on the part of LTO acceded to the particular letter. As far as I know, Your Honor, that's why I'm sorry, I cannot answer, Your Honor.
So, hindi yes, Mr.
Mr. Tan?
Yes, Your Honor.
You said that you sent a letter to LTO. Could you please provide this committee a copy of such letter?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Please proceed.
Mr. Chair.
So, yung boss nag-coordinate sa LTO, right? Para do sa event? Di po ba?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I have to check on my record.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Boss, meron kayong coordination sa LTO, di po ba?
Mr. Chairman, opo, meron po.
Yung coordination po ba nyo, anong tema? Siyempre, hindi kayo humingi ng, ano ba, humingi kayong permit or assistance or ano po?
Yung una po naming sulat is informing the Land Transportation Office of the event.
So, in-inform lang po ninyo? Tama po?
Yes, sir. Kasi ang nasa amin po kasi, ang position po kasi namin doon sa naging reversal noong o granting nung motion for reconsideration na nagsasabi po na we can proceed with the conduct of Boss Ironman challenge. Sa kanila, yun naman po ay posisyon ng LTO. Hindi na po namin inulit yung sa sulat namin na kami ay humihingi ng permiso.
Tama po.
Opo.
Pero sinasabi po, you can proceed with your event. Tama po?
doon po sa desisyon nila sa reversal
Yes,
ng...
Mr. Chair. Hindi lang literal na permit, pero pinayagan po kayo. In other words, kaya hindi sila nag-operate against your event. Same with PNP. Mr. Chair, sa PNP, nagbaba ng directive ang DO, Directorate for Operations, to assist boss do sa challenge nila sa event. So, same with LTO. Kaya po talagang may mali Mr. Chair. HPG, para sa inyo po
Yes,
ba
sir.
may violations yung event? Wala.
On the part of the HPG, sir, not the event, but there are violations committed by the riders.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So dahil may instruction sa iyo, i-assist ninyo, wala na kayong ginawang panghuhuli doon, tama po.
I will check our record, sir. But
No, wag mo na i-check, Mr. Chair. Hindi nga kayo nang huli. By the way, Mr. Chair, i-connect ko lang po sa HPG. Yung nakita po ninyo na yung dalawang participants in the presence of police officer, ginulpi nila yung private individuals. Mr. Chair, pwede po bang malaman kaninong area yon, jurisdiction? Is it true na ito ay nasa AOR ng Region 3, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, sir, Police Colonel Ogay, may be recognized, sir. Sir, it is in the area of Region 3, sir, specifically at the province of Zambales, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Chair, may ginawa po bang paglabag sa batas yung dalawang participants ng Boss Ironman Challenge?
Yes, Mr. Chair, sir, they were filed, a case was filed against them for the disobedience to an agent of a person in authority, reckless imprudence, resulting in physical injuries and damage to property. Yun lang, sir.
Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang pong linawin kasi mainit na issue ito sa publiko na walang silbi daw yung pulis. Ang tanong, Mr. Chair, dahil may paglabag sa batas yung dalawang participants, kinasuhan po ba ng pulis o hindi?
Sir, it was filed in court, sir, in the prosecutor's office, sir.
Okay, yung pulis po, inaresto ba nila yung yung riders?
Hindi po, sir, because nag-iisa po yung pulis, sir, at that time because yung strength nila, sir, kukunti lang sila and napakalawak po yung coverage. They were spread thinly, sir. Kaya hindi po nila kaagad na naaresto yung participants na nakasuhan, sir, dahil bigla na lang sumakay sa motor, then tuloy po sa racer.
So, may kaso na?
May kaso na po, sir.
Mr. Chair, kung pwede lang, may submit po ng Region 3 yung documents na talagang sinampahan nila ito ng kaso, itong dalawang riders, itong dalawang participants. Pwede po ba, Mr. Chair?
Pwede po, Mr.
Please
Chair.
submit
Thank you.
the requested documents to this committee.